Omar Cardona is an Orlando, Florida-based singer who has been a performing artist for over a decade. He has been exposed to the tragedy blows away the audience of The Voice. Omar rocked the house with an energetic performance of Journey's hit song Separate Ways Worlds Apart. In 2019, Cardona shared a video of the To All the Boys I Have Loved before actors supporting his work at Finding Nemo the musical. He has done multiple collaborations with the Florida a cappella band VoicePlay and sung background vocals for artists. The Voice was not Omar's first time performing on a stage. He revealed that he has been a full-time performer for 15 years now, singing at venues like theme parks, cruise ships, and sporting events. Cardona's brother EJ is also a singer and he sees his brother as one of his inspirations. Omar has a girlfriend called Danny. They share photos of their trips on Instagram. She captioned this adorable photo of the pair taken in Disney's Magic Kingdom. Omar's experience with performing was clear in his audition for The Voice. He looked comfortable on stage and showed off his personality by moving around the stage, engaging with the audience and using the mic stand as a prop. Omar is already building quite a fan page for The Voice. Many viewers took to Twitter to compliment the artist after his audition. In addition to his career as a solo performer, Omar also performs with his band, Epic Party Band. The band describes itself as a multi-generational super band doing concert style